Alright, how are we going to go slope soaring? Lot of wind. Ooh. Got my motor just in case. And that is flying like a bird. I bet the seagulls come. Got it a bit nose heavy, now we're just beautiful. Look at that, eagle soar. Oh wow. That is absolutely loving it. Really could take the motor out, take the prop off. Wow. Sensational. Oh, it's so cold. It's about 5 degrees with a decent 15 knot onshore breeze. How cool are you, man? Oh, this is made for it. Birds aren't paying any attention at the moment, but I bet the word's getting out there. Let's try a loop. Get a bit of height, dive, speed. Bit too much drag with the prop on, I think. Bit more height. Maybe I won't, because I could lose it over the fence. This is cool. Let's gain some height. Working my way up higher. All right. Can't quite get it over. Needs the prop taken off. It's got a bit too much drag. Maybe a bit more ballast too. Got the 2200 in here at the moment. Beautiful, just made for it. It's a rudder turn. Responds well to rudder. Very tempted to turn it into a pure slope soarer without the motor at all. It's quite draggy, you can sort of see it pushing back. Come the seagulls, I wonder if they'll say something about it. Just wants to hover there. Slowly gaining height. Oh, my fingers are freezing. This is magic. If it wasn't so cold, I could stay here for hours. Try and bring it into land without damaging it too much. Oh, it's going to be no problems. Excellent. Wow, that is stunning. That is brilliant. Highly recommended. It's a ripper.